about to rain, guys. Cargo ships coming in.
Huh?
What?
Well, he said I'm not gonna need my umbrella. I'm like, I need it for the rain and the sun.
Oh, it's hot outside, guys.
I need to charge my phone.
That area down there too?
Yep.
There's a bar downstairs.
It's all 16 and over? Is there just an adult area or just all 16 and over?
16 older.
Oh yeah, see this right on my alley because this got a cover.
You got two right here.
Oh,
and another two
baby,
below.
what you doing? You going to come out? I'll get a room. We can go get some of them.
And then you can walk out to the bridge.
Can we go to our room?
You see the two right there? Sit in.
And Mr. Mom, you can walk out to the bridge.
Can we go to our room?
Okay.
We can check this out later.
Boys, do we got to sign anything up for you guys to go to the club?
I don't even know where the club at.
Yeah.
Good.
But we do have to sign the release forms for you guys to start doing activities, right?
Yeah.
Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome
Hello.
Thank you.
They're still putting stuff on this ship.
Yep.
Oh yeah. For sure.
So,
This is the furniture.
Yeah.
So it's better to take the elevator up to 16 and walk across it.
Yep. I'll go across now. Our
Central Park, and then go to the back and go up.
But it's a little more hassle to kind of get there though.
Yeah.
So we're on 8th floor?
Yeah.
and it's kind of a maze. We're gonna walk all the way to the front, and then you're gonna take a left and take another left, and there's like an inner hallway. I know.
You've never been on this boat. How do you?
I've already been to the room. How do you think I got my card?
Got your what?
Card.
What card?
My sail and sign card.
You have a card? For what?
My sail and sign card.
What's that?
The card. Okay. Order.
You did recognize this? Seriously? Yes, seriously. The keys. Oh?
I'm surprised he hasn't gone on bread yet.
What's that? Your card to spend money with.
And everything.
And for the light in your cabin.
So are we on the starboard side?
Yep.
Well, we're more in the middle, but if you don't want to get lost, because
Welcome aboard.
what's your number?
80.
8?
8401.
I don't have
Hey. We back, and I forgot to put my card in there bottom of the car. You know what? Tips and this is a life hack. You can grab any card. It doesn't have to be your SailAway Sun card, and you can put it in the light thing. So let me go in my wallet, see if I have an empty card. So I'm not. Oh, here we go. Chick-fil-A that has no money on it. Watch this, guys. Life hack. Life hack. Life hack. See that? It's a Chick-fil-A card. Just leave that in here. Lights will turn on. So you could just turn that on when you're not here. Turn it on. You don't have to worry about keep putting your SailAway sign card, leaving your card in here and everything. So I'm gonna go show my parents that. It's a serious life hack, guys. So you don't walk out the room. Send us our card. See if I open the door. Watch out.
I was testing if it's good for my wallet. Well, they're using the bathroom.
Two.
you have a Chick-fil-A card?
Wait, wait, I'll wait until mom comes out.
You says in the bag.
You like your interior balcony?
Oh,
You see how small this thing is?
it's not small. It's a nice size.
I've never been in this type of small cabin on Carnival.
Good. Let my thing charge.
I'm talking about straight up liquor.
Yeah, she had liquor.
I'm talking about straight up liquor. That's wine. That's Kool-Aid. I'm talking about straight up liquor. This is the first time ever.
Yeah,
We had-
you had Auntie Pam with you.
We had everything. Everything. We just be pulling our stuff out of suitcases.
You went to like the alcohol store right before the cruise
Teens programming.
on the dream.
Who's the rep?
Yeah, for that ship.
Room service as well as the breakfast menu. If you want to pay extra money. And
Oh, allow you to stay connected the whole time you're on the ship?
You
you talking about room?
Yeah, Netflix,
Yeah.
all that. You can, yeah, it's the fastest internet at sea.
You still got to pay for it.
Yeah. Yeah, 100 and
So
something.
a day at sea, it tells you everything that's going on.
Oh, yeah.
Read your tickets to adventures.
Okay, bring it to our doors.
They're going to put them inside?
No, they just bring it up to the door.
No.
They're doing packing right now. They're packing stuff from here.
Are they right there? Can you see?
Yeah, you can see. Can we take our bag?
Put all our bags right here.
Well, we should go anyway, because we have 30 minutes.
They're bringing stuff. They're putting it in the hallway to put through the doors.
Yeah, well, that stuff is going to be just left out.
All right, come on.
Those leaving out there? Yep.
No, they did not have the door.
That's what I'm saying. They were right.
And they're going to be a brown skin looking guy
Might be too late.
with hair on the top of his head. With a black and white shirt on with some shorts and black shoes.
Alpha, deck 15, zone 2, Solarium Bistro.
Oh, they're already starting.
Alpha, deck 15,
What does that mean?
Oh, then they're starting to.
Yeah,
Get it
all
right.
people are, so I don't even know if they can do it
For the
now.
drill? What
Yeah.
time is it?
It's almost 2:50, but they have to go there early. So, yeah, so
They're not bringing it to your door.
it might be ready too late. So that means we should just stay here, because we have to go down 2 floors. It's right right below us.
Yeah, it's not about to take another 30 minutes to do this.
Just saying.
So you saying we shouldn't go to the,
So I don't even know they can do it
right
now.
here, Mom.
what's right here?
It's really right here.
It's 2 floors below us, right under our room, pretty much.
What's that?
That's the promenade.
Huh?
It's the promenade.
What?
Promenade,
What's that?
aka the lobby, aka the mall.
We need to go AKA to the lobby, AKA
But
the
he's
mall.
saying
You
we
guys wanna
don't want to go too far away because we got to get back.
Yeah.
No, they're gonna give us a warning. They're just gonna say go to muscle station.
No, they're gonna blow the ship's whistle. Dead no
They're gonna
tell
give
us.
everybody like a 20-minute warning.
It's like a 20-minute warning.
All right, let's go.
We're not at 3 o'clock yet, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Maybe
It's
we can get there.
2:50.
So let's go.
2:50.
Yeah. You guys wanna take the stairs or you can
Take the stairs.
Oh, take the stairs, it's 5.
I love these stairs.
Down here? Don't follow you. Where we going? We don't have a lot of time, babe. You can look. We're just trying to find
We're trying to find a place where we put the money on the cards.
Is this the level we came in on?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, I know. I was asking her. They said it was machines that you could just go and put the money in.
It probably is, but I don't know where they are.
And she was not helpful.
Gus customer service is closed because muster drill's in about 30 minutes. So they'll be reopened at 5 o'clock after SailAway. Here's the Bionic bar. That's the Bionic bar. Bionic bar. You gotta get a drink?
Yeah, I want to record it.
You will also find your assembly station letter and number in large print on the left side of your CPAS card.
Hey, yeah, it's up there.
Each guest must have their CPAS
Come on,
card
go over.
available for the crew members who will be guiding you to your assembly station. As you make your way to your assembly station, please note the evacuation signs along your route and any alternative escape routes. Another announcement will be made 15 minutes prior to the drill.
Yeah, one floor.
All guest service
One floor.
facilities will be closed in preparation for the drill.
Yeah, it's right there.
Until you have been dismissed from your stations.
People still joined it.
This is
Yeah.
also the first call for all persons not staying with the
People are still
RVAC.
coming on the cruise.
Proceed ashore using the
People still
gangway.
coming. That lady just walked on.
A message to all crew involved in today's guest assembly drill. As usual, you should be at your station at this time. We would like to take this opportunity.
I wonder, like, if you
inform
do last
of the Royal
minute,
Caribbean
or you have to get a
International's
discount when
ongoing
you're trying
effort
to
in protecting
sell
the
out
environment
cabins.
for our Save the Waves program.
Yeah.
We kindly request that all guests do not throw anything
thinking that.
overboard.
They're like 80% off.
Or at sea.
Really?
Yeah. But you have to like, it's like next date cruises.
Gas trays.
Right. So you have to
And you have to
that
pay,
money.
yeah,
Yeah,
pay it all up.
Royal Caribbean is committed to
That's not
protecting the
bad.
world's oceans, and we ask for your help and never
Really, it's
dispose
not
of
bad.
your personal
80%.
products,
But most rooms are gone though. Like you'll be really far from each other, and it might be only the expensive rooms left. So you never know.
Please notify your stateroom attendant.
Still, you can still get a good deal and still.
All environmental evacuation.
Your mom might do that.
We have to go up one. Mr. Dennis, right here. We gotta go up one.
In the interest of child safety, we at Royal Caribbean
Like the next day, like 80% off. Oh, when like
We wanted to get back home. We got off the breeze.
Yeah.
We wanted to get right back on. Sail again.
You can actually stay back on. You can stay on the boat.
Yeah, we wanted to book another one.
Once again, coming up in less than 30 minutes, we will be having our mandatory assembly drill for all guests.
Yeah.
Thank you for your cooperation and attention.
let's go, JB.
This spa.
Oh, I need to come in here.
Buenas tardes, damas y caballeros. Les informamos que en 30 minutos se efectuará un simulacro de emergencia obligatorio para todos los huéspedes y se activará la alarma del barco. Ese simulacro es el obligatorio.
Which one are we on?
La ley
Yep,
internacional marina
eight, we're
y
A1?
los huéspedes deben participar. Su estación de reunión se indica en el lado interior de la puerta de su cabina y también se indica con números grandes impresos en su tarjeta CPAS. Por favor, lleve su tarjeta CPAS en la mano y lista para mostrarla a los tripulantes en el descubierto.
Come on, come on, come on. I ain't taking it. Oh no. Dang it, it might be raining. I got a GoPro.
Raining down there?
Oh. I'm trying to get under the. This Joker written. No, it's raining. I ain't going out there.
Babe,
I have.
yeah, that's why nobody's there. It's wet.
I have electronics.
Is it raining right
It's
now?
raining. Yeah. It's. You see, it's raining right here. Oh no. Oh, gimbal. Oh.
Isaiah, where you going? Because he's looking for me. You keep going further down.
I can't go out there with this.
Yeah, we can't. I'm not looking at. I thought we were staying right here. Oh, this is not waterproof. That's why nobody over here.
Yeah. Get right. Let's go right there. Stand right here.
He's not gonna know where we at.
Guys, it is completely pouring. I know where they want to go. He wants to stand on the bridge, but it is completely raining, and both of these GoPros are not waterproof. So, like, I don't know what you're doing. Like, yeah, we can stand right here. Ah, the lines are still on.
This is why he should have stayed with us.
You sure you don't want to go up there, Mom, to the regular Lido deck?
It's raining. It's drizzling right now, Roger. It's gonna be all wet.
This is the front of the ship?
Yeah, right here. Look. Oh, there's a plane. Oh. So we're still tied up right now at the bow. Hopefully it'll stop raining, but it's raining right there in Miami. It looks like it's raining hard near Miami, and it looks like it's coming this direction right now. But right now, the wind is blowing from the sea, so we should be fine once we start going out to sea. People are coming. Isaiah, you want to get on that side so we can see Fort Lauderdale on that side.
Yeah, I'm not going nowhere, so I'm moving.
No, but like we should try to get our spot over there now.
I know it's gonna be up in rain.
But still, once we start raining.
Yeah.
No, Mom, we're going on this side, so why not go on that side, face that way?
Huh?
Okay, when we go out, we're gonna be facing this way. There's nothing over here like this. But all the hotels and stuff are this way, so we should go right there and hold the seats over there before people start coming.
Oh, whatever. I don't care.
She's like being completely stubborn at this point. Like,
Don't say that. It's okay.